Today we're taking a closer look at the MechLands Vibe75, an 80-key, 75% mechanical keyboard that brings a surprising amount of premium features to a budget-friendly price. You're getting a gasket-mounted structure, hot swappable switches, RGB, a modular TFT screen knob slot, tri-mode wireless, and a big internal battery, all aimed at gamers and typists who want enthusiast-style features without the enthusiast price tag. In this video, we'll do a quick unboxing, talk specs and features, run a sound test, do some gaming, and I'll tell you why this board might just be my new daily driver. So inside the box, you got the keyboard, a USB-C cable, a keycap puller, a switch puller, and a volume knob. Nothing over the top, but everything you need to customize right out of the box. The Vibe75 sits right in that sweet spot between clean aesthetics and enthusiast-grade construction. It uses an aluminum top case, a polycarbonate and aluminum bottom, and a gasket-mounted plate that gives a softer, cushioned typing feel. The form factor comes in at 43mm tall, 150mm wide, and 334mm long, weighing in at around 890 grams. Compact but still solid. On the bottom are the two level feet adjustments, and under one of them, surprisingly, is where you store your 2.4 GHz dongle. The 75% layout keeps your arrow keys and navigation clustered in the corner, saving desk space. There are indicator light clusters for your cap lock, scroll lock, and wind lock. Then on the back is where the connectivity hub is located, and USB-C port. The sides have mech-like effects and a beautiful glossy finish. MechLands includes double-shot cherry profile PBT keycaps, which are durable, shine-resistant, and slightly matte so they don't feel slippery during gameplay. The fonts are super clean and the spacing lets the RGBs shine through nicely. This board supports hot swappable MX-style switches, so whether you're into linear, tactile, or clicky, you're free to change them without soldering. It also ships with MechLands Cream Mint linear switches, rated at 45 grams actuation, around 3.6mm travel, and are fully 5-pin compatible. In simple terms, they are smooth, quiet, and great for both typing and gaming. The Vibe75 delivers that modern, deep, poppy sound that gamers love. The gasket mount and multi-layer dampening softens your keystrokes, removing harshness and giving a balanced premium feel. The stock setup already sounds good, but the board responds extremely well to upgrades like new keycaps, switches, or additional foam. During the sound test, you'll hear the combination of these switches and the internal dampening, giving the board a more muted thunk instead of a sharp clack. If you care about sound, this board is an excellent platform to tune, but you can judge this sound for yourself. The Vibe75's RGB functions is surprisingly polished for its price. The self-facing LEDs give better shine through and more even lighting, especially with PBT keycaps. The glow is soft and diffused rather than blinding. The Vibe75 comes with 20 effects and 9 colors that can be set via the screen. You get per key RGB with smooth presets like wave, ripple, breathing, raindrop, reactive typing, and more, all customizable in the software. Overall, it's bright, clean, and more premium looking than most budget boards. One of the Vibe75's standout features is the modular TFT screen, which you can swap out for a knob module. The screen can show battery percentage, time, connection mode, GIFs, system stats, or custom animations. These settings can be changed by holding down the function plus the left-right arrow keys and can be confirmed by pressing function plus enter keys. If you prefer physical controls, the knob is great for volume and media. It's fun, functional feature that adds personality without feeling gimmicky. MechLands provides companion software for lighting, macros, and some TFT customization, but it is less polished than the hardware. It's capable, but not as robust as top-tier keyboard software. That being said, many customization tasks such as RGB, macros, basic remapping can be done in the software. If you really rely heavily on advanced macro scripting or cloud profiles, expect some limitations. The keyboard also comes with full tri-mode connectivity via USB-C wired. The 2.4 GHz mode is solid for gaming with no noticeable delay, while Bluetooth works well for productivity or switching between devices. The flexibility makes it great for both desktops and laptops. MechLands includes a 4000 mAh battery in the keyboard. From my testing, battery life is good. Using it on heavy days in 2.4 GHz mode with RGB on, I could get a couple days before charging, and much longer for lighter use. Brightness and animations will affect how long before it charges, but overall it performs well for its size. During gameplay in 2.4 GHz mode, the Vibe75 handles fast-paced gaming very well, with 5 millisecond latency. It's got 11 milliseconds for Bluetooth, but of course the best latency is wired at 2 milliseconds, which is the most preferred way for most gamers. It's got the Uncrow-like performance and stable wireless, which makes it reliable for fast inputs. The stabilizers are tight out of the box, so no annoying rattles during gameplay. The compact 75% layout also keeps everything close and efficient, which I personally prefer in my gaming setups. So why is this a good keyboard? It's featured packed for under $70. You're getting Tribe Mode, TFT knob module, hot swappable switches, and gasket mount. It's also got great stock PBT keycaps, it's surprisingly good acoustics, and a clean RGB look. Some of the cons I found are the software feels limited compared to premium competitors, and it's not a full metal case, still some plastic around it, and the battery life does drop quickly with bright RGB and TFT animations. The MechLands Vibe75 is one of those rare budget keyboards that really punches above its price. So if you want a compact, customizable keyboard that's truly ready out of the box, it's a fantastic value. If you're expecting enthusiast tier software or full aluminum chassis, you may want to look higher, but for the money, the Vibe75 is tough to beat. So that's my review of the MechLands Vibe75. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like, subscribe, and let me know which keyboard you wanted me to cover next.